Hey friends, this is Dazzling Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today we are making this healthy smoothie bowl which is packed with protein and nutrition, low in calories and natural sugars but high in antioxidants and vitamins. I took half cup of pieces of each of frozen pineapple, avocado and kiwi and 1 cup of fresh spinach and 2-3 small pieces of ginger. Ginger is optional but recommended. Ginger stimulates digestion and suppresses your appetite. This leads to promote weight loss. Make sure your fruits are pre-sliced and frozen. I'm using spinach fresh. Here is a helpful tip. Using a combination of frozen and fresh fruit results in an ultra thick and cream smoothie bowl. Now combine all them into a blender. If you do not have a high-end blender like me, stop in between and scrape it from sides and push the fruit into the blade as required. Then blend away until thick and creamy consistency is achieved. Pour into bowl and here comes the fun part. The toppings. I chose to top this smoothie bowl with some blueberries, kiwi fruit. I cut it in star shape, making this simple zigzag cut in the middle, and chia seeds. But feel free to add on whatever you want. You can eat your morning smoothie and start out the day in a delicious way, or you can have it as your late afternoon snack when you are tired from your work and need some refreshment. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please check out my other smoothie videos too. I have dropped its link in the description box below. Eat healthy, stay healthy. So till the time we talk, take care and bye bye.